Most leather comes from animals raised on farms. This one came from the jungle. And it shows.
From a raw reptile skin to a garment that sells for tens of thousands of dollars per diems. This is what happens in between.
From the far end of this floor to the other, a raw skin becomes one of the most expensive garments in the world.
Easy now, watch the weight distribution. Bring the forklift closer to stabilize.
Every skin arrives with a certificate. Without it, the skin does not enter this building. Legality is not optional in this trade.
A scar on the raw skin is a scar on the finished jacket. The grading table is where quality is decided, not the sewing machine. Temperature and humidity are not comfort, they are quality control. A skin stored incorrectly is a skin wasted. Salt preservation stops the clock on a raw skin. Water starts it again. What you do not see is as important as what you do. The inner surface determines how the tanning agent penetrates.
No two skins are the same size. Every pattern is adapted to the skin, cleaned, not the other way around.
The pickle bath is not about cleaning. It is about opening. The skin must be chemically ready before tanning begins.
Everything before this moment was preparation. Now the skin stops being an animal product and starts becoming a material.
Tanning is chemistry meeting craft. The wrong temperature by 5 degrees and the leather is stiff. The wrong time by an hour and it is weak.
After tanning, the leather holds water like a sponge. The setting machine takes it out, and with it, takes out the inconsistency. If it dries without tension, it shrinks. Every clip is placed to hold the skin at the size the garment needs.
Stiff leather wears like armor. After staking, it wears like a second skin.
The oils in this drum will still be in the leather 20 years from now. That is the point.
A panel rejected here costs time. A panel missed here costs a finished jacket. The inspector knows which is worse.
The color goes all the way through. If the leather is ever cut or scratched, the color remains. That is through dyeing.
The eye sees approximately 10 million colors. The spectrophotometer measures the difference between two that look identical.
The finish is not paint. It is a system. Bonding layer, color layer, protective layer. Each one applied and dried before the next. Heat does not dry the finish. It cures it. There is a difference, and the difference is how long the jacket lasts.
Gloss on exotic leather is not added. It is drawn out. The press does not put anything on. It brings up what is already there.
One scale out of place in a finished jacket is visible to the buyer. There are roughly 400 scales per square decimeter. Every one is checked.
The most beautiful scales go on the front panel. That decision is made with a pencil, not a knife.
There is no undo in leather cutting. The knife commits the cutter's decision permanently.
The edges are never seen in the finished jacket. They are finished anyway. That is the standard.
The leather where the seam will be is half the thickness of the rest. You will never feel the seam. That is the intention.
Scales on the front panel must flow into scales on the side panel. This is checked before a single stitch is placed.
The pricking iron marks where the needle will go. Every stitch is planned before the machine is switched on. Leather stitch to dry splits at the holes. The cabinet brings every panel to the same condition before it reaches the sewing machine. The lining will never be seen by someone looking at the jacket. It will be felt every time it is worn.
The zipper on a jacket this expensive must open and close the same way in 10 years as it does today. The hardware is chosen for that reason.
The adhesive is not the join, the stitch is the join. The adhesive makes sure the stitch goes exactly where it should.
Before the first stitch, every panel is accounted for.
Nothing goes to the sewing machine until this table is empty and the list is signed.
This tray holds one jacket. The craftsman who receives it is responsible for it until it is finished.
The needle goes through anaconda leather at the same point every 4 millimeters. It does not deviate. The machine does not forgive deviation. A raised seam on a jacket this expensive is a flaw. The press removes that possibility.
The zipper runs 60 centimeters through the front of the jacket. Every millimeter of that run must be straight.
The top stitch is 4 millimeters from the seam. On every panel, on every jacket. The distance is not approximate. The lining must float inside the shell. If it pulls, the jacket pulls. The tension is set at the machine, not adjusted later. The press sets 800 kilograms of force through a 6 millimeter stud. It will not move again. The collar sits at eye level on the finished jacket. The scale pattern across it will be the first thing noticed. It is the last thing assembled. Setting a sleeve is where garment makers are separated from garment craftsmen. The ease must be invisible. The machine makes it possible. The hand makes it right.
This is the jacket for the first time. If anything is wrong, this is the last moment it can be corrected economically.
If one thread in a machine stitch breaks, the seam can unravel. In a saddle stitch, one broken thread holds. The other holds too. The edge of a jacket tells the buyer more about quality than any other detail. This wheel makes it tell the right story.
The stitch count is 4 per centimeter. The specification says 4 per centimeter. The gauge confirms it. This is not optional verification.
The jacket is finished. This step is for the person who will wear it, not for the factory.
Every jacket that leaves this atelier has a file. If it ever comes back with a question, the answer is already here. The certificate is not marketing material. It is the jacket's legal identity. Without it, the jacket cannot cross borders.
The tissue paper is acid-free because the scales remember every contact. They must not remember the packaging. The box is the first thing the buyer sees. The jacket is what they remember. Both must be worthy of the other.
The care kit is not a gift. It is the instruction manual for an object designed to last a lifetime.
The ribbon is tied by hand, every time. For a jacket that will be worn for 20 years, the presentation deserves 30 seconds.
The last person to see this jacket before the buyer is a quality manager. Their name is on the dispatch record.
Every jacket you see on this floor started as an animal in a river. What happened between then and now is everything you have just watched.
4 jackets this week. Acceptance rate of 100%. Hide utilization at 71%. That is what a good week looks like here.
These jackets were ordered between 4 and 8 months ago. The clients have been waiting. The wait is over.
1 animal. 1 atelier. 100 hours of work. This is what that becomes.